The 2094 BM02S is a Rockwell Automation Kinetix 6000 axis module, 2 kilowatts, 460 V. It uses a 7-segment display that shows E00 to E79 error codes. Here are some of the most common fault codes. Fault code. Description. Basic troubleshooting. E00. Bus undervoltage, blown fuse. Check internal fuse module. E04. Motor overtemperature. Check motor temperature sensor, cooling, and wiring. E05. Drive overcurrent. Check motor cable, short circuit, overload. E09. Bus undervoltage. Check 3-phase input voltage and DC bus. E10. Bus overvoltage. Reduce regeneration. Check braking resistor, shunt. E19. Position following error. Check encoder, mechanics, servo tuning. E35. Precharge fault. Check AC input voltage and precharge circuit. E36. Drive overtemperature. Check cooling fan, vents, ambient temperature. E37. Power phase loss. Check all 3 input phases. E38. Servo's ring fault. Check fiber optic cables and communication. E43. Enable input fault. Verify the drive enable signal. E49. Safe torque off STO fault. Check STO wiring and safety circuit. E77. Module mismatch. Wrong voltage module installed. E79. Shunt module fault. Check braking resistor, shunt module.